Max? Is it a beautiful day outside? Max? You gonna open the window? Are you gonna open the window because it's so nice outside? Hmm? You have to turn it. But it's locked. Uh-oh, tail in reach. Oh, knew that was gonna happen. You can't pull his tail. I know it's really fun, but Greco said, don't pull my tail. He squealed. That's the lock. And that's the crank. Max, no. Good boy. I think you know no. No, Max. Good boy. I feel like I'm training a dog. No, Max. No. Uh-oh.